Hi, and welcome to Chef's Review. In this episode, I want to show you how to make a lot of hot dogs in a really short time. You probably have seen this machine on a petrol station, on an open-air festival, maybe a concert, or in a food truck. So, all the places where there are a lot of people after a quick snack. So let me just quickly go over some data. First of all, the stainless steel construction, which is really robust, solid, scratch-proof, heat-resistant and easy to clean and maintain. There's also this glass cover on top, which is all special hardened glass, so it's really hard to break. It also has the benefit that the customers can look through it and can see all those delicious sausages that you're preparing. The device works with 230 volts, so you just plug it in and you're ready to go. And there are a few interesting features. It works with 2200 watts and the heating elements are inside the rods, so as soon as you turn it on, they all start individually heating and turning. So I already mentioned how to turn it on. There's this on switch which will light up as soon as you turn it on, and there's three controls, three temperature regulations. How does that work? Alright, so you can set different temperatures for two zones, front and back. You can organize your workflow this way. So all the sausages that you want to heat up quickly, just put in the back, set different temperatures, so let's say around 90 degrees to heat them up, while the other ones are already warm and ready to serve, so you don't need a temperature that high, so you can set it for, let's say, 70, which is the beginning of the safe zone. Alright, very important. What's the third control for? That's a nice thing. There's this drawer, and this drawer is heated. This drawer is for your buns, so you can put your buns inside, just like this. Close the drawer, set the temperature, let's say around 40 or 45 degrees will be enough. They don't need to be hot, they just need to be warm. Alright, so this way you can serve a lot of hot dogs in a really short time. The sausage is warm, the bun is warm, just a bit of sauce on top, and you're ready to go. Okay, so let me just quickly summarize. Stainless steel cover, 230 volts, glass top, special hardened glass, a special drawer for your buns, 9 rolls, you can put 16 hot dogs on it, and 3 temperature regulations. If you like this machine, you might also go on the website and check it out for its older brother with 11 rolls. And there's also a hot dog steamer and hot dog spit toaster, whatever you feel like. Just go and check it out for yourself. But if you order this machine, it will come in a huge box, actually 2 boxes, just like these two. So one is for the device itself, the other one is for the glass cover, alright? Lots of packaging material in it, lots of styrofoam, so it will stay safe during transport, nothing will happen to it. Should anything happen to it while you have it, the producer gives you a 3-year warranty, so don't need to worry about it. Okay, so if you liked the video, just leave us a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.